So there how I made this. I need a plastic container with this shape. First place a fan, mark with this handle, and touch it, and take a thread to put holes and join the other, and now fill the container with ice and close the lid. And these are wires, black. These are both wires black. Charger both wires black. So that wire is connected. This black and this black is this black. This black is positive. I already adjusted with multimeter and diode to this is a positive line and this is a negative. So I tried with this charger and you can see it is working very well. This is the temperature between atmosphere and this in 10 and 15% difference, which means atmosphere is 10% hotter than this cooler than air. It is a cool air, cold air to it, and that's this way you can make a air cooler. And by the way, I am working still right now, but there's a problem, so I never tell you what is. Which means I am working still right now, but there are shopkeepers not the components daily food is asked. No component, no component is fine in market, so it is non. It is a lot of difficult. So I am working on right now. I'm making first project in 3 days ago, but my viewer asked me make a cooler. So yesterday I made a cooler. Today I made a video, and previously one project which project I will make a 90% and project is fully open, so no more components left to complete the project. So this project I made 3 day ago, remade them, and still one component is missing. This component is purchased today and test certain complete and test, but I am working on tomorrow of some 3 other experiments, small MD55 diver. One is ultrasonic mist meter circuit and one is boost button. One is let me wait. One is RPM control circuit. These 3 circuits is working on tomorrow, and one circuit is main, which I my few 3 or 4 videos previously asked. One my viewer made a night vision device. Night vision device is fundamentally very simple. IR remote LEDs is infrared LEDs. When you connect infrared LED to battery, infrared light is light up. But this light is invisible light and human cannot see a normal eyes to this light. This light is stored in camera and digital goggles, IR goggles I mean, and IR camera and IR thermal imaging camera and IR normal photo camera, not analog one. Then capture IR LED, human cannot see infrared LED, infrared light. So I purchased 3 lights. I think I am need 100 or 200 lights more. So it is take a full package of LEDs in tomorrow. Otherwise there are some problems to component it cannot find right now. So that's why may upcoming videos may I am little bit late again, so I am not telling you my next next timetable or next project. So I'm working on tomorrow in 3 projects and one project is 1 project is remaining. So I am working on a 3 day ago or 4 day. So I am still video making. I am working right now, and I am also seeing you if you have any idea what is the next project which I am like to do, but I am working to do. If you like to see which project I made in electronics related and chemicals related, not other things related, you can tell me by contest. Contest I am also working asked daily to test. Today to test is why ultrasonic mist meter used in coolers. Why ultrasonic mist meter is mostly used in air coolers. Why this and how ultrasonic mist meter works. We can meet up next video with them very soon. I hope I am working tomorrow and some in 3 or 4 days in very soon. And this video can meet up next video very soon.